Alrighty, so we picked up the camera, ready to go, helmet. We're gonna hop on the 140 and let's go for a POV. Take a ride with me. Tal, because she has literally lit me up twice today. What is this? What is it about? Outside, beautiful. As long as we don't crash, we're doing good. Don't underestimate yourself. You can totally do it. A year ago, I was terrified. Now look at me. Not that I'm doing anything amazing, but I'm out here learning, keeping up. Kids feeling young. That's what it's about. Love you, mean it, bye. That's a wrap. It's hot. We're gonna take all this off and we're gonna get in the pool. Thanks for sticking around.